All right. How are you guys? Aaliyah created a math project on a rectangular video. The length of the poster was 1/3 meter. The width of the poster was 3/4 meter. What is the area of Aaliyah's poster? All right. And like we always do in class, I would like for us to use our close reading strategies. You always want to read the problem more than one time. I'm actually going to read it again now. Aaliyah created a math project on a rectangular video. The length of the poster was 1/3 meter. The width of the poster was 3/4 meter. What is the area of Aaliyah's poster? So we would always like to read the problem more than one time. Now it's time to take down all the key information in the problem. If I was you guys, I would probably, I know I would highlight that's a rectangular video. I would probably highlight, of course, the length is 1/3 meter, the width is 3/4 meter. Yeah, those things are important, and now you could actually devise your strategy of how you want to go about solving this. And I'm pretty sure you guys should know by now the formula for area is length times width, and of course this applies because this is a rectangular video. Okay, so we wanna multiply. I think you guys, we should have had enough experience doing these to where, oh, here we go. Where is it? All right, here we go. Looking for my handy dandy eraser. All right. But so we have a rectangular video. And let's say it says the length is 1/3 meter. I'll just put the length over here. Really. 1/3, and the width is 3/4. So I'm gonna go ahead and represent our 3/4 first. And you guys know 3/4. So we probably want to separate our rectangle going in fourths first. Let's see. All right, that's kind of even. All right, so now how will we go about representing our 3/4? Because right now we got our fourths. So what we want to do is shade in. Y'all know how I'm always telling you guys, just lightly shade it. Because I just really like I know you guys are always getting on me like, you know, lightly shade it. Lightly shade it because I like for the light shade to represent the fraction, the entire fraction itself. So 3/4 is represented here. How is it represented? There's fourths, and 3 of them are lightly shaded. Okay. Now, if we're going to multiply, we got to go ahead and represent that other fraction. All right, so we got our 3/4. Now, we will need to represent 1/3. And you know how we usually do it in class? Let's go ahead and do it with opposing lines, perpendicular lines to these right here. So we got our 3/4. I think you guys know by now we want to separate into thirds. Now, this is the part I'm always telling y'all about in class. We represented our thirds, but now we just want to represent 1/3. But we want to represent the entire 1/3, okay? If I'm going to represent the entire 1/3, I separate this into third, third, third. I need to color lightly across the entire row, because that's 1/3 of the entire thing. Now, we can just simply look and see what's shaded darker, because there's going to be an area that's double shaded. By this point, you should know that that double shade symbolizes your answer. Your answer is a fraction of the whole. When I look at this, I see, let's see, how many are shaded in? 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 3/12. All right, so we got that, and now we need to write and solve a multiplication expression representing this part. So, and I already lost my eraser again. I stay losing stuff. All right. So, we got our 2. 1/3 times 3/4. That's a simple enough expression. By this point, you all should know. I think multiplication of fractions is easier than adding and subtracting them to me, because adding and subtracting, you got to do stuff, find common denominators and all that. Multiplication, just multiply straight across, baby. 3 12s. All right. Now, the second problem. I want you guys to do the second one on yourself, but if you're having trouble, the second problem is literally right along the lines of everything we did on the first one. So if you need like a refresher, you can rewind and go and see how I did the first problem. But I do want you to attack the second one all by yourself. But like I said, if you apply the exact same strategy and concepts that you did on the first one, you shouldn't have any problem with the second one. All right. All right. Have a good one.